Welcome today in front of me TCL 30SE, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So I'll do this with the Merge Edge application here. So now just open the app. I'll just show you. So the full process, open the app here for the first, and you'll the first here I'll see the always on display section was the different tabs of the AOD. Now just select one from the tabs. So I have selected this one, but I'll switch it, for example, to this. After that, just click here to apply. We can edit this tab. Just we can switch here the tab color. As can you see, so we have also the advanced sections, so we can change here the clock color, date color, notifications color, and more options here. Also we can here just change the backgrounds, as can you see. For example, this one, click here to apply. Here we can also change or just hide the music controls after 10 seconds, or just don't hide them. We can also turn on or turn off to show the incoming notifications here. Also we can turn on or turn off to show the date, the battery status always while they was charging, or just to don't show the battery status. And also we should just go here into the settings section, click on the always on display, and also you can see here that we can change the show time always while they was charging, or for example also only will play the music. Also we can just select these two switchers together if you want. So I'll just stay with the always here. We can here change the screen timeout from the 1 minute just to don't show it, just to never. For example, we'll go with the 35 minutes. We can also increase the brightness level to 100, or just to decrease it to the 30%. On here we have the close, just to close the AOD by double tap on the lock screen or by single tap. Also we can close it with the fingerprint if you have just set it up the fingerprint recognition here on the scanner. And also we can here turn off or just to set the turn off schedule for the start time and the end time here, and to disable it during calls. So that's it, that how to customize always on display feature on our TCL device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.